Hello dear children, welcome back to another online class of subject computers. Children, in last class we started chapter number 3 of your computer book, Computer Software, and you were introduced to the two main types of computer, hardware and software, in the previous chapters, where you learned that all the physical parts are the hardware parts. Also, you learn that set of instructions that we give to computer that tells computer how to do a task is a software. Now let us learn more about software. Children, in last class you learned that software are of two types: application software and system software. You learned about application software, that if we want to do some task on a computer or a phone, we choose application software. For example, if I'm feeling like I want to do some paint and coloring, I will choose Microsoft Paint. Similarly, if your teacher wants to create question paper or any other document, he or she will choose Microsoft Word. Similarly, there are many application software available for every particular task. There are variety of application softwares on your desktop computer, laptop computer, and also on your smartphones. Now we are going to learn about the system software. So what are system software? Children, system software are the one who controls and manages the overall activities of a computer. It's like a manager. As a manager, controls and sees that everything is working fine, every person is working fine. Similarly, a system software keeps a watch and controls and manages every activity that you do on a computer. Let us learn more about the system software. Children, the most important part of system software is operating system, and you should know about the operating system. And it is like a bridge between user and computer system. Now, who is the user? User is you, I, we. We all those persons, all those people who use computer are users, and so operating system is like a bridge between us and computer system. Operating system actually controls the overall activities, the application software that you are using, the hardware parts. Suppose you are typing through the keyboard, operating system is controlling everything behind the curtains. Similarly, if you are taking a printout, the operating system is taking care that your printer is getting the proper command from you and everything behind the curtain. Now there are many operating systems available. You can see the common names on your screen. Let us learn more about them. The first thing that comes up when you switch on your computer is operating system. Now you must have seen, when you switch on your laptop or computer, you see the Windows sign or the Windows name coming up. So Windows is one of the operating system. When you switch on your smartphone, you generally see the name of the operating system first thing that wakes up when you switch on your device. So whenever you switch on your computer, the first thing that comes up is operating system, and then your computer is ready for your use. Let us learn more about operating system with one more example. For example, you are having a very fancy car and it is having everything like engine, petrol, everything, but there is no driver to drive the car. Will the car move by itself from one place to another? No. You need a driver to control all the operations of a car so that it can work properly. Similarly, the operating system is the driver of your computer system. If your computer system is like a car, then your operating system is like a driver. Children, there are many works, there are many functions that an operating system does, right from controlling the hardware like your printer, keyboard, pen drive, everything, every hardware part of your computer, it's functioning, everything is being controlled by, monitored by your operating system. And if you are using any app, for example, you are listening to the songs, also you are painting on another software, everything is controlled by the operating system. It is providing you all the application softwares to work upon them. Now one more function of operating system is booting. What is booting? When you switch on your computer or restart your computer, that is booting. So booting is of two types, cold booting and warm booting. When you switch on your computer, that is cold booting, and when you restart an already switched on computer, that is warm booting. Children, there are many types of operating systems available, and the most common are Windows operating system. These are generally used in our desktops and laptops. These are, for example, Windows 7, which you are studying in your book, and these operating systems are developed by Microsoft company, and these are GUI based operating system. What is GUI based? Graphical user interface means everything you see is in the form of graphics, pictures, buttons, icons, so that you can easily use the operating system. When you switch on your laptop, or you switch on your smartphone, or you switch on your desktop computer, you always see buttons of all the applications, for going back, for selecting anything. So these are GUI based. When you see pictures, graphics, everything on the screen. Another common type of operating system is Macintosh operating system, which is developed by Apple, also known as Mac operating system, and it is generally it was made for Apple's products and Apple's laptops and systems. It is also GUI based, and you can use them very easily. The next type is Linux operating system. It is available free on the internet, and it is open source, means you can download it free of cost. You can use this, you can copy it, you can also modify it. That means you can make the changes also easily. So these were the common types of operating system. This was all about this chapter, children. I hope you have learned about operating system. Thank you so much and happy learning.